If a little beach ball could teach everyone the secret of teamwork and happiness. Welcome back to our channel's Love Art and Sketches. This is our summer vacation drawing series day 7. So today we are drawing a colorful and fun beach ball, and I will tell you fun story while we draw. One sunny summer morning, a brand new beach ball arrived at the beach. It was bright, colorful and super bouncy, but the beach ball felt nervous. It saw kids building sandcastle, playing games, and laughing together. The ball quietly thought, what if nobody want to play with me? Suddenly, a little boy picked up the beach ball and tossed it into the air. Another kid catch it and laughed loudly. Soon, more kids joined in. They passed the ball, played games, and cheered together. The beach ball bounced from one friend to another, spreading smiles everywhere. When the beach ball realized something important, happiness grows when we share it with others. By the end of the day, the shy little beach ball had made so many new friends. And every time it bounced, it reminded everyone that teamwork, kindness, and fun make summer special. And now it's your turn. Let's draw this happy beach ball together. All the drawing steps are in the descriptions below. Check it out and share your drawing in the comments box. Hope you enjoy the fun and summer story. Don't forget to like, share, and comment our drawing. And don't forget to subscribe our Love Art and Sketches. We daily uploaded summer series at 6 p.m. See you tomorrow. Bye.